All right, guys, just finished up this 22 F250. It's got the 8-inch BDS kit, 26 by 14 kg1s, and 40 by 1550 Toyo MTs. It's got the Fox shocks, Fox dual steering stabilizers, and a few other goodies on it as well. This is the 4-link kit. On this one, there is a transfer case indexing kit that comes with it. It provides a better driveline angle on your front drive shaft. On this one, we do have to move the bumper 3/4 of an inch forward for tire clearance, and then trim the back side of the fender. Now that's, if you wanted to run something like 38s, you'd be fine not having to do that, or if you wanted to run the 40s on a 12 wide, you wouldn't have to do that. But 14 wide with the 40, you got to do that on 8 inches. This kit this truck had already had an airlift system put on it. We did have to modify it and add an extension for it. Let's see if I can get a better angle under here. We also did a backflip roll-up bed cover. The front valance is trimmed as well. You can also do something like a trimmer valance or even a 2-wheel drive valance if you didn't want to have to cut the valances heavily. This kit uses a full rear leaf spring kit as opposed to a lift block. It does have the factory block still there. Really nice looking truck. All right, guys. And of course, we've got this twin right here. It's also getting a BDS kit. I believe this one's a 22 as well. We're doing the 3-inch coilover kit. Might as well show you a little bit of that as well. So this one is getting the 3.0, I'm sorry, the 3-inch 2.5 series Elite coilover conversion with radius arms. And we'll also be putting KG1s on this one as well. So I'm sure we'll do a full video on it soon. All right. That's it for now. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.